have a brand new Hohner Ventura accordion. It's the 4120 model, which means there are 4 reeds in the treble, low, and 3 middle, with 13 switches on the treble side. 4 of these switches are duplicates. I'll go through the switches so you can hear what they sound like. This is the master switch, low and 3 middle. Low and 2 middle. 3 middle. So this is a triple musette accordion. That's the bassoon. 2 middle. Or rather low and middle, that's your bandoneon. Clarinet. Another master switch. A duplicate triple musette. 2 middle. Another musette. Duplicate bandoneon. Duplicate clarinet. Low and 2 middle. And 2 middle, which is your very tremolo. So here is the difference between your 3 musettes. A lot of versatility on the musettes here. On the bass, we have 7 switches on the bass. I'll go through the switches so you can hear them. Brand new accordion. It's a full-size accordion, but it's relatively light for a full-size accordion like this with 4 reeds. It has a very modern looking grill, white bellows, has a beautiful musette sound if you like German, Italian, French music. A ton of versatility with this accordion. Has the Hohner classic emblem there. It's made in Germany. I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.